Price prediction for Rdnt Capital, recent developments. The integration of Stellar and Rdnt has been accomplished. By means of this integration, Stellar will provide the support of the Rdnt/ETH pool on Uniswap v3, thereby allowing Rdnt token holders to enhance their trading fee earnings by offering leveraged liquidity through Stellar. Rdnt token holders have the opportunity to engage in lending activities, so generating passive income in addition to their existing Rdnt holdings. Users have the opportunity to enhance their exposure to the price of Rdnt by providing Rdnt tokens and borrowing ETH. This can be achieved through leveraged techniques provided by Stellar. In order to motivate users, Stellar has implemented the Leveragor incentive program, which presents participants with the chance to get an extra 20% on their positive yield resulting from the closure of leveraged positions. The program will continue its operations till July 6 at 8 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. Price prediction for Rdnt Capital, technical analysis on July 3. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is presently recorded at 57.9236, suggesting a state of neutrality in terms of market signals. The current reading of the stochastic RSI fast stands at 77.2848, indicating a state of neutrality. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, exhibits a value of 0.0035, which signifies a favorable indication to initiate a buy action. The Williams percent range indicator has a value of -11.8310, indicating a neutral position. The Commodity Channel Index, CCI, with a period of 20 is currently recorded as 130.6708, indicating a state of neutrality. The examination of moving averages suggests a hint to purchase. In general, the technical analysis conducted for Rdnt Capital indicates a recommendation to purchase. The projected price range for Rdnt Capital during the next 3 hours is estimated to be between 0.273 and 0.281. Price prediction of Rdnt Capital, historical performance. Over the course of the past 5 days, there has been a positive increase of 5.3%. Over the course of the past 30 days, there has been a decrease of 4.7%. Over the course of the past 6 months, there has been a significant decline of 21.7%. Over the course of the last 12 months, there has been a decline of 21.7%. Today's forecast for the price of Rdnt is being predicted. According to the analysis conducted, the projected price for Rdnt Capital in 2023 is estimated to be $0.545. According to the projected analysis, the anticipated value of Rdnt Capital in the year 2025 is estimated to be $1.4. According to the projected valuation, the anticipated price of Rdnt Capital in the year 2030 is estimated to be $6.70. Price prediction of Rdnt Capital, evaluating the investment potential of Rdnt Capital. Rdnt Capital is a financial platform that operates through many channels to effectively pool together dispersed liquidity from diverse lending protocols and chains. The primary objective of Rdnt Capital is to streamline and centralize fragmented liquidity in the money market. The technology enables users to efficiently and rapidly deposit and borrow assets across different chains through Rdnt's connections with Layer 0 and the Stargate Stable Router interface. This solution addresses the challenges associated with decentralized finance, DeFi, that arise from the need for several transactions in order to engage in lending, borrowing, bridging, and swapping activities. The project's notable features encompass dynamic liquidity providers, DLP, and gated emissions, and comprehensive support for over 20 collateral choices. The primary characteristics. The primary objective of the platform is to integrate and unify vast amounts of dispersed liquidity from many lending protocols and chains into a single, secure, and user-friendly cross-chain protocol that optimizes capital utilization. Rdnt's cross-chain interoperability is facilitated through the utilization of Layer 0 messaging and Stargate's reliable router interface. This enables users to efficiently engage in asset deposition and borrowing activities across many chains, with the entire process being completed within a matter of minutes. Rdnt employs the utilization of dynamic liquidity providers, DLP, and gated emissions as a means to motivate users to provide utility to the protocol, hence leading to enhanced sustainability and capital efficiency. The platform offers support for over 20 collateral options, incorporating loan-to-value characteristics that are determined by a decentralized autonomous organization (DAO) voting process. Additionally, the platform utilizes oracles for data sourcing and verification purposes. The gated emissions used by Rdnt are designed to allocate emissions exclusively to users who contribute utility to the protocol, hence enhancing sustainability and efficiency. The native token of the Rdnt DAO, known as Rdnt, serves as the governing mechanism for overseeing the operations and advancement of the Rdnt Capital platform. The subsequent paragraphs delineate the primary applications of Rdnt tokens. Rdnt token holders have the opportunity to engage in the decision-making procedures of the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO, by exercising their voting rights on proposals pertaining to the advancement of the platform. Individuals have the ability to engage in token staking, which allows them to accrue incentives in the form of a share of the fees created by the platform's borrowing and lending activity. Rdnt holders have the opportunity to contribute liquidity to the network by giving Rdnt tokens to the liquidity pools. Holders of Rdnt tokens have the opportunity to avail themselves of several advantages, such as reduced fees and preferential borrowing rates, when utilizing the Rdnt Capital platform. It is evident that Rdnt Capital has exhibited commendable performance over the preceding 6-month period. Nonetheless, it functions within the fiercely competitive realm of decentralized finance, DeFi, wherein numerous other platforms provide comparable cross-chain money market services, including Aave, MakerDAO, Compound Finance, and others. Hence, Rdnt is a viable investment opportunity with moderate potential. Price prediction for Rdnt Capital: is it feasible for Rdnt to attain $100? In order to attain a price level of $100, the Rdnt token must see a growth of around 240-fold. Moreover, the price of the asset peaked at 48 cents in March 2023, representing a growth of about 1.6 times within a single month. This significant increase occurred subsequent to the asset's lowest recorded price of 30 cents in February 2023. Hence, it is anticipated that the value of the Rdnt Capital token will ascend to $100 within the subsequent 150 months, equivalent to a period exceeding 12.5 years. Nevertheless, the duration